Hi everyone, and welcome to another one of our Crafternoon to Go programs. My name is Cassie Skobrak and I'm a reference librarian here at the Westerly Library. And today we are making natural cleaning products, and we're going to start with laundry soap. Now if you did get a kit, as always, you're going to have most of the supplies that you need right there. If you don't, you can just follow along at home. So for this, we're going to need 2 ounces or about half a bar of castile soap. I'm using Kirk's brand, but you're welcome to use another brand if you choose. You'll also need borax, washing soda, and a few drops of essential oil of your choice. Now these are all included in your kit, but in addition to that, you're going to need a bowl and a spoon to mix with, and also something to grate up your soap. So I'm just using a regular cheese grater, but you can also use a food processor if you wish. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is take that soap and just grate it up using, again, your cheese grater, or you can throw it in a food processor. All right, that was by far the hardest and most annoying part of this project. Everything else is super easy. All right, our next step is to add our washing soda, and we're gonna add 1.5 cups of this. Once you've added that, just mix it all together. So next we're going to pour that mixture into your container, and mason jars work really well for this. So I have one of those right here. If you have a funnel, that might be a good idea so that you don't make a big mess with it. And finally, we're gonna take 1 cup of our borax and pour it right into that container along with the other ingredients. Once you've done that, you can add a few drops of your essential oils and then just stir it all together. All right, so this week is a 2-parter. So the second green product that we're going to make is Air Freshener. And for this, you only need a few ingredients. You'll need some distilled water, a few drops of essential oils of your choice, again, and a couple teaspoons of either vodka, rubbing alcohol, or even vanilla extract. And then you'll just need something to put it in, and we have in our kits this week these little spray bottles. So let me show you how it works. Now, as I said, the air freshener is also super easy to make. So the first thing we're gonna do is take off the top to our spray bottle. We're going to add about 3 tablespoons of distilled water preferably, but tap water works just fine. And if you do have a funnel, you might want to use that for this. Next, add 2 teaspoons of vodka, rubbing alcohol, or vanilla extract. And finally, you're gonna add a few drops, 4 or 5, of whatever kind of essential oil you have. For this project, I think we're using peppermint oil. I'm just gonna pour a few drops in there. Place your top back on and shake it up. And make sure that you shake this before every use, because those oils are going to come to the top of the bottle. And now you're all set.